thinking about you. I've been thinking about bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle,
Shoes. 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 Oh my god. Shoes. Let's get
They are the punishment elite, those who compete, never retreat.
Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. Our CAMPFIRESONG song.
Koalas in the rain, koalas in the rain. No fucks given, koalas in the rain.
I'm sexy and I know it.
They came to save the day.
Come here, sweetheart. Surprise, but sex.
Look at me! I'm Dr. Zoidberg, homeowner!
We ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. We slaughter termites just for fun, hurrah, hurrah.
Let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the end.
Down, get a hold of yourself.
Don't stop me now.
Oh yeah, Mr. Crab, oh yeah, Mr. Crab, oh yeah, Mr. Crab, oh yeah, Mr. Crab, oh yeah, oh yeah.
One, two, three, do it!
I like big butt.
I gotta go. Born.
What's going on? I heard a noise. Is somebody downstairs?
Shut up, Meg, I'm talking to the internet. So the game is simple. We're going to show you a classic GIF from our main channel. The first person to find out what episode and time that GIF is from will win their choice of any of these two prizes. Now, here's the important part. Do not post your answer as a comment. You will be disqualified, and the comment will be erased. Instead, send your answer to us as a private message. There'll be a clip at the end of the show on how to send a private message. To make it fair, here's the international upload time. Thank you, you guys are awesome. Meg, turn off your Wi-Fi. You're slowing my internet down.
It's not Meg. Chris is watching porn.
I'm almost done!